Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen. And today what we have to make, what we are going to learn is that how a sprite can ask us some questions and how we can answer them. Okay. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
can you both see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so when I click on the green flag, what it is asking?
What's your name?
Okay, it is asking me what's your name, and here we can write our name. Okay, so I will write my name, Ammar. Okay, and then we will click on the enter key. So it is saying hi, Ammar. Okay, now it's asking what's your age. I will write 19, and it sings wow, 19. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what is going in this game? What's going on?
They were characters telling you that what's your name and what's your age.
Yes, the sprite is asking us our name and our age, and then it is repeating that. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to learn that how we can make these types of question and answers games. Okay,
I have a
okay.
question. Can you make? I think soon we'll be able to make like a sprite making questions, and you can use buttons if there's two options or three options.
I think so that we can do that, but we can do that by using
We could use the buttons to do it. It's pretty easy.
yes, we can use the buttons to do that. Or you can try that. You can try that in your homework. Okay, Habib?
Hmm.
Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, first of all, I'm going to show you that how we can use that. Okay, so here we have our cat sprite. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to use the event when green flag clicked. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you want to ask questions, if you want that your sprite ask you some questions,
When you press green flag, the sprite will ask questions.
yes. So in Scratch, if you want to do that, where should you go? That you have to go in the sensing option. Okay, in the sensing category, can you see there is a ask block here?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see ask block?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this ask block is used when we want our sprite to ask us a question. Okay, now it is when now our code is that when green flag clicked, ask what's your name and wait. Okay, so when I click on the green flag, it will ask us what's your name. So if we answer it Amma and we will click the enter key, it is not replying us.
I think then we have to put another block.
Yes, the ask block, can you see there is an answer, a smaller block right under this ask block?
Yes, I see the answer block.
Okay, so what this ask and answer do is that it works as like a variable. Okay, you have studied these variables that we had to create a score variable, and it will store your anything you want to change it by 1 or you want it to change by 2, it stores everything very okay. Do you know that the same functions as variables? Do you remember that we made a score variable in
Yeah,
a
I remember
ghost
we
hunting
made a
game?
score variable. I think
Yes,
I
okay.
think when we made our own, we also did make your own block. We made fade in and fade out.
Yes, yes, yes. We have done the variable work. We had created a score variable in the fade in and fade out block game. Okay. So this answer block is just like a variable. Okay. What first of all, it is asking when green flag click, ask what's your name. Okay. So when we will reply it by anything, if I write it here, Ammar, so Ammar will be stored in this block. Okay. Okay, can you see this? When I click on this answer a smaller block, it is saying Ammar, because when our sprite will ask us anything and we will answer it, that answer will go and store in this block. Okay, Hadith?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Do you have any confusion that why we use this answer and ask block? Yeah.
He's muted. I don't know for what reason.
Yeah, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay, yeah. So do you have any confusion or question till here? Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay, so what anything we will answer to the sprite will go and store in this variable. Okay, answer block. Okay, so if I want that when I click on green flag and it asks us what's your name, and after asking and after we reply to it repeat that same after us. Okay, so which block we use if we want our sprite to say anything? Hadith, which block we use if we want our sprite to say anything?
We have to go to loops
Yes,
and we have to say hello for 2 seconds or
yes.
just say hello.
So now what will be what's it is asking what's your name, and if I reply Ammar and I click on the enter key, it will say hello. Okay, because here after the ask block it is written hello. So if I want that it just repeat my given reply. So what we have to do that we have to put this answer block inside it. Okay. Now what is that when we will click on the green flag,
Okay.
it will ask us what's your name, and then it will say what is the code now? Say answer for 2 seconds. Okay. Now when I click on the screen flag, it will ask what's your name. If I write Hadith here and I click on the enter key, it will say Hadith. Okay.
I think we have to do this again, but instead of putting answer, we should say,
Okay, so now,
we should do what Professor said. I forgot.
yes. Now, the problem, if I want that it should say hello, Ammar. So what can we do that we can put this say hello block before this answer block. Okay, so now it will ask what's your name, and when I will write here my name. So it will first say hello, then it will say Ammar. Okay, because here it is written hello, and then it will say the answer. Okay, so do you have any confusion till here?
No,
Hadid and Yaya, do you have any confusion?
no.
Okay, so you can see that,
No, sir.
okay, now you can see that the problem we have, it is first saying hello, then it is saying Ammar. If I want that it should say hello Ammar in just a one bubble, okay? Are you understanding that what I want? I want our
I,
sprite to answer.
if we want it in one bubble, then we have to put a wait block, like wait for 1 second in control or
No,
event.
yes. Hadid, we don't want to use the wait block here. You can see it is asking what's your name. If I reply Ammar, so first it will say hello. then it will say Ammar. It is not saying hello Ammar in just one sentence. So if you want that your sprite should answer you in a one sentence, okay, so what we have to do that you have to go in the operators, okay, you have to go in the operators, and in the operators you can see there is join apple and banana.
We have to do join
Okay,
hello and answer.
in yes, in it you can, in the operators there is a join block apple and banana. We use it, we want, if we want to join any two words, okay. So if I do this right,
Okay.
if I do this like this, that it is asking, ask what's your name. I will go on the looks, I will use the say block because we use this block to say anything. Then what we have to do, if I want to say that if I want that our sprite should say hello, and then after hello it should say our given answer. So here I will first write hello, and I will press the space key, and then I will put this answer block instead of banana. Okay,
Hmm.
so what we have, join hello and answer. Okay, if I now put this whole join block in the say block, now our code is when green flag clicked, ask what's your name and wait, say join hello and answer for 2 seconds. Now if I click on the green flag, it is asking what's your name. If I write it here Ammar and press the enter key, it will say hello Ammar in just one sentence. Okay, do you have, and do you both have any confusion or question that uh why we use this
Okay,
join
sir.
block?
No confusion.
Okay,
Everything
so
is
now what we can do, remember one thing, that this just like your score and your variables are just a temporary, it is also a temporary block. Okay, so if you want to use it again, you will use ask block again. Okay, and you can change the question here. What should it ask, Hadid? Can you tell me that now? What should it ask us?
It will ask, the question should be, what is your age? I think it was.
Okay, what is your age? Okay, now when it is asking, now when we will use the ask block again, so when we will answer this what's your age, it will again store it, it will again store in this answer block. Okay,
Okay.
so now we will click on the green flag. It is asking first what's your name. We will write here our name. Okay, it will say hello Ammar. Then it will ask us again, what is your age? Because we have used this ask block again. So I will write here 19. So when I click on the enter key, it is not saying my age. So what should I do?
Because because you need to use a say block again.
Yes, well
Right?
done. Yes, yeah.
Right, just like a say join the hello, join the say join the hello answer for 2 seconds. We have to add hello. We have to
Yes.
switch hello to wow.
Yes, you can do that. If you want to join your two words, just like I joined it right here, that join hello and the answer. So you can use this join block. If you don't want to join your answer, you want that it should not join, it should say separately. So you cannot use it. Okay. It's your own choice. Okay, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Now it is,
Sir,
yes, Hadid.
I have to go pee.
Okay, you can go. So now when I click on the screen flag, it will ask us what's your name, and then it will ask us what's your age. If I write my age, it is only saying hello because we haven't used this answer block till yet. Okay. If I will put this answer block inside the say block, now it will answer us our age. So it is asking what's your name. I will write it Ammar. It is saying hello Ammar. And if what is your age, I will write 19. So it will only say 19 because we haven't used any say block before it or any join block inside it. Okay. So it will only repeat, it will only answer, it will only say what we had answered only. Okay. So do you both have any
Okay.
confusion till here?
No confusion, sir.
Okay. Now what we have to do that first of all, we have to draw our own sprite. Okay. We have to draw our own sprite. So first of what should I draw, Habib? Can you tell me?
Uh, as I saw on the action, it was a stick figure wearing a hat with
Yes, we can.
thingies looking
Okay,
like this.
we can draw that
That's
again.
all I know.
We can draw that again. Okay, so
Right.
first of all we have to draw a circle.
And we could not fill it, or we could.
Yes, we
Technically, I think
can
so.
draw a stick man. Okay, now we have to draw its hands. Okay, now what we can do that we can draw its mouth, or what we can do if I want that my sprite should wear a glasses. So what we can do that we can go.
We could just put a circle, line, and then circle, like
Yes,
this
we can
one.
do. Or what we can do that from this button, you see there's a button on the left right here.
Yes.
We can click on this button and we can go on the fashion, and from right here we can
Of
choose any
course,
mask
we
or
can just
glasses.
draw.
So can you tell me, Hadid, which glasses will be suitable for our stick man?
I think this one
Which one?
will be
Can you repeat the name of it?
either glasses A. I think so.
Glasses A.
Hmm. Maybe.
Okay, we will click on the glasses A. Okay, then what we have to do that we have
You
to
could,
use the selection
you
tool.
could,
We have to
you could
select it. We have
select
to copy it. Then we have
group.
to,
I think you have to do group. Or
yes, you can do a group also, but here we don't
because
use
it
to
had
group it.
eyeballs.
Okay, I think it's good now. Okay, now what we can do that we can draw a black circle.
Circle eyes, which
Oh,
would just be dots.
yes, so we can put his eyes on it. Okay, you
He
can copy
looks, mm, looks like,
a teacher.
yes, some, yes.
Okay, now what we can do that we can draw its face. I can draw its mouth, which is of red color, I think. Yes, it's good. Or if I want it to wear a hat, so we will again go on this side and then we will go on the fashion. And which hat should be good for it?
I think it was had B in in the costume sort of thing.
Okay, we can choose that. Now we have to click on the selection tool. We have to select it all. Then we have to group it. Then we have to copy. And here we have to paste it, and
Um,
we have to increase it a little bit so that it can fit on it. Okay, it's good, I think. What do you say? Yeah, yeah, it is good or not? Adit? Is it looking good?
yes,
Okay, now if
it
we
looks
don't
nice
want these glasses and hat here, so we will delete it. Okay.
because we have already done.
Okay, now what we can do that we can copy this whole code inside this.
I think we should delete that spread. I,
Yes, we can delete this. You are
I was saying delete the sprite, but you had to
okay.
copy it. I forgot about the copying.
I just copied the code so that I should not do it again. Okay.
You know.
Okay,
But,
now you can add any backdrop you like.
and also, the statement is too big.
Which backdrop do you like, Hadi?
I think I like. I think I like blue sky.
Okay, we can go on the blue sky.
It
Okay,
looks
so
like we're
now,
standing in the garden.
yes, it's standing in the garden. So now it will ask you your name, then it will ask you your age, and it will reply it. Okay, Hadi, do you have any confusion in this question and answer game?
Nope. I'm good.
Okay, you are good. So
Mm.
I'm just stop sharing my screen.